We're making a classic pineapple upside down cake today. So a fluffy white cake with the classic pineapple rings, cherries, and that brown sugary caramelized topping. So delicious. I know you're gonna love it.
We're going to start off by putting 1/4 cup of unsalted butter sliced into a pan. I already have my oven preheated, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that pan and I'm going to put it in the hot oven for the butter to melt. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter to a cup of granulated sugar until it's nice and creamed. Add 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. And then I'm going to reserve about 1/4 cup of the pineapple juice from my pineapple rings, and then set that aside. And then I'm going to add some brown sugar, about 2/3 cup, to that hot melted butter in that pan, and then layer on my pineapple rings from the can. And then so you're going to lay it all around the bottom, and then you're going to cut them in half and layer them around the sides of the pan as well. And then you're going to add your maraschino cherries. Make sure you buy ones that don't have stems. Then I'm going to whisk together my dry ingredients, 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to add the dry ingredients along with some milk and the reserved pineapple juice into your pan and bake that at 350. Place a plate over the hot pan and flip it over.
Such an easy recipe. I always thought pineapple upside down cake was hard. It's really not. It's just about a method. And as long as you prepare your pan properly, it will pop right out. This is so delicious. Follow me for more desserts. Leave me a comment and let me know what other cake recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.